That ain't been off in a while. Made in Canada.
Oh, it's a Canadian one. Mine was made in Canada too.
Those lug nuts are pristine. That's what happens when you leave the caps on. Those caps have never been off this truck. Yeah, there's no need for any oil, really. If they all look like that.
Do we have a air compressor?
He's working on it. I don't think this one's going to hold air, but these front ones might.
I saw when I got a chance to put that.
That's 17 or 18 years of dirt piled up on there.
Yeah. It's been sitting here for a while.
Bing. Not quite as clean as the other one.
Yeah, what's happening?
Some curb. Nice.
Is that the right size? Yeah, that's it. Cool. Got the secret weapon here. You think these air, you're gonna hold tight air?
I don't think so. Is that big hole in the tire? That's probably not gonna hold any air. There could be a tube in it though.
Yeah.
Yeah, it might hold air. It's off the rim. There's not a tube in there.
Oh wow.
So I was hoping maybe there was a tube.
Yeah. So there's no tube in any of them.
Probably not. We can try this front one to see.
This one's going. Getting anything?
Yeah, it's taking air. For sure. Yeah, that's a big deal there. Wow. Trying to scrape some of that debris away so that when it comes up, it doesn't trap that sand between the bead. If it does come up, that one's in pretty bad shape. It looks like it's off the rim.
Yeah, this one's pretty bad.
All right. Let's see what happens. Maybe the whole...
No, nothing. Going out the back.
Well, that's two we got to pull off. We got two to hold air.
Halfway there. So we need to get these off and put some tires on them or what?
Yeah, we'll run up to town and grab a couple tires.
We're gonna try to pull it out of here first.
I think we ought to.
Yeah.
Give us a little room to work.
Yep.
We might have to get the clippers and cut these vines off so we don't drag the hood off. You want to pull a little more air in this one?
Yeah.
Just be careful that valve stem break off in your hand.
Doesn't sound like it's taking anymore. I don't think it is. No. I think we could clean this up and sell it. There's a market for these vintage campers.
Yeah?
Yeah. Somebody will buy it. Might have to clean it up a little bit.
It's got some issues.
Yeah, you think? It's got a couple. Coleman, you could live in this thing, man.
Yeah, man. There's the road. There's a ball over there you can go to.
Probably throw a strap around it, drag it.
You try to tie it to the axle?
No, there's a ball down there.
No.
Probably come off. Maybe not. Try it.
That's awesome. Got power steering?
Not exactly.
Oh, that's roadkill.
All right, what's up, Roadkill? What's going on, buddy? Say hi. Hey. Nice job.
He can run over anything.
Oh, man. Will it run? It's looking good.
All right, so we're gonna try to get you. You're gonna pull the path to get through there.
Run over.
Go through there. scuff on it. Crank.
What's up, bro? That thing's awesome, isn't it? Got those disc brakes. My 72 had disc brakes.
Cool. Put 2 lugs back on it.
You need a drill?
What's that thing?
It's an old welder.
Yes, we need to go up more. Full jack. That axle just staying there.
It ain't moving.
The suspension is letting it drop.
He said these are notorious for blowing up.
Yeah, he's notorious for blowing up 625s.
I wonder, did you see the spare tire anywhere? On the truck?
The only thing I got's probably too tall, man.
It'll fit on the back.
Okay.
Yeah, we're just trying to get a couple of rolling tires. It's a rolling chassis. What'd you get?
Nice. Are they open? You got the grease in them? Oh yeah. I'll quench your thirst.
I'll never know which you're going to find.
I got one more in the back.
I don't want it. Yeah, these are just temporary tires. I bought an old truck and it's in the woods and the tires are flat. I'm trying to drag it home. I can work on it. I need some tires.
Put it on the
Hey, I bought you some coconuts.
Oh, really? Let me try it to be a little.
So this is a F-250 custom.
Yeah, that was the base model, the custom. Ranger XLT or the Camper Special would be the more desirable trim, you know?
Yeah.
God. Wait. Get them lug nuts first. They'll be buried and lost. Good idea.
You got all of them?
Yep.
We do it. Put this one on?
Yep. Where'd that clip come from?
It's a camera clip.
You might need to jack this up some, Coleman. I'm not sure.
Probably.
Oh. It's right.
That felt good. Did you get that on video?
I'm not sure if the camera was aimed at your head or not.
Oh man.
Did it ring your clock?
Just a little bit.
Ring your bell?
Just a little bit.
Remember the old,
It's all good.
was it Donna Ross or one of the soul singers sang "Ring My Bell"?
Mm-hmm.
Motown. Ring my bell, ring my bell.
Yeah, these are a weird size tire, aren't they?
16.5, the rim size.
Damn, that one went all crooked. Pretty tight. There it goes.
These are the straps there.
Forgot the door. Need that.
Can't see out the windshield.
You want to wash it first?
Ed, wish us luck.
What's that?
Wish us luck.
You're gonna be just fine.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna be all right with all underneath.
Back a little bit.
You ready?
I think. Let me open the vent window.
Tap the brakes, see if it'll loosen up on you.
Nah, it's seized up tight.
What's up? How's it driving?
It's a cream puff.
Want to sell it?
Oh yeah,
What year is it?
74,
390?
390, F250,
Custom.
all original. Camper's extra.
As is.
92,000 miles on it. Pretty easy.
Not too bad.
A lot easier to load it and
Yeah.
all that.
Yeah, I mean, if you could just pull it home, that's a lot easier. Man, I love...
Around the corner.
You guys got any ideas for a name? We were thinking Swamp Juice.
Holy.
Or
Toledo.
Honey Hole.
Little fern growing out from the window up there.
Yeah.
Around all the swamp juice.
It's pretty exciting.
Even the bumper's green.
So I
Yeah.
can stay in here?
Yeah, I would vacuum it out first.
Yeah. Run an extension cord up, power it up.
It's got air conditioning, heat, hot water,
I have to put a new front door on it.
self-contained.
This is a
Oh,
ti-
it came with the front door.
Yeah, he put it in there.
Yeah, I did. I put it in there. This is a tiny house.
Yeah.
These are really popular in some.
It's actually pretty cool.
It is. It's all original.
There's a new floor. 1800 games.
It's like from the 70s.
Check out this. Not responsible for items left overnight.
I know, he showed me that. He's all excited about sharing that.
Just had a cool poster or what?
What was that, 1966?
1986. It's not that old. Man, this thing is nasty. It smells so bad.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
Oh my god.
We'll do a detailed tour of it later. Show you guys what's going on. Got it?
How much you said you was done?
I think he's done now.
Alright.